Hi guys, my name is Roger and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to play with the SP-808. Well, I'm not going to play with it, I already played with it. But I'm going to show you how to create that sound which you hear in the background. This is this pad. I will adjust the knobs and then you will hear it. Because something nice, what you hear is my GV1080. It's a sound which is coming into the SP-808, and I'm using the SP-808 now as an effect machine, as an effect unit. Because the SP-808 has a step modulator, and it has also a virtual analog synthesizer, and in the synthesizer you can put external sound in. Then if you use it in the step modulator, you can slice that sound, you can create your own pattern, and in this case it's that bumping sound which you hear in a lot of EDM music, but also very much in progressive house, which is also EDM but much smoother. And then you create something like this. I will point down the camera now. So here's my SP-808. Cutoff frequency and the resonance can be controlled also. And also, in this case, the attack. So I'm totally adjusting now the sound of my GV1080. I love this kind of music. It's floating me to another area of this world, or even outside of this world. So I'm going down here. In this case I'm using my MV8000 as a sequencer, and the bass sound is an original pitch sound of the MV8000. Very cool, very natural. And also you hear the sound of my Remote 25 from Innovation. Very handsome, but okay. Like I said, the SP-808. I'm going to show you how it works. Yeah? So, ready? Here we go. To create that effect, we do the following. We connect a synthesizer to the aux input of your SP-808. Then we are selecting a synthesizer effect of the SP-808. So we do Shift FX Edit, and then here we select a synthesizer sound. In this case, I've created already my own. And then the following. Go to VCF, and then turn down the oscillator 1, the oscillator 2, the noise, and open up the external in to 100. Also adjust your mixer, so do Shift Mix Common and change it here to Ins Master. For sure it should be, well, on yours it can be on Send Return or an FX Patch, but you change it to Ins Master. Now we go to the step modulator. We do Shift Setup, and then we're in the step modulator. And you see here a bar with 8 steps. And you see here nothing, something, nothing, something. This means that the gate is open for incoming sound. The trigger is song play. You can choose here 1 step, single, repeat, song play, and we do it on song play. So this means when the song is starting to play, the step modulator is about to work. I'll give you an example. I will turn it off. Now we don't hear anything of my synthesizer, but when I turn it on, you will hear my GV1080. So this is the effect when incoming sound is processed by the SP-808 synthesizer and the step modulator. For example, if I change here something, if I open it up, then you will hear a different kind of effect. If I open them all up, you'll hear the effect. So it doesn't matter if it's long or short. This is already effect. This is already open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. If I go down and I see the step here, I can change the speed of it. But I'll leave it on quarter note now at the moment. So, okay. So this is how it works. Important to know is that the SP-808 is not synced to external hardware. It's synced in start-stop, but it's not synced in tempo. So you have to adjust the tempo to the master sequencer. So in this case I use the MV8000 and with a BPM of 125 BPM. So I have to adjust also here the BPM. I go to song, then tempo map, and here I can adjust the tempo. So on 125, and because it's set on song play, if I push now play on my sequencer, the SP-808 will start on the right time. Let's give it a try. Okay, I stop it now for the moment. So what I'm now going to show you is the use of these 3 knobs. I go to Shift, FX Edit, I go to the right to Control, and I push Enter. Here you can see that C1, is this one, is cutoff frequency, this one, C2, is resonance, and C3 is the attack of the incoming sound. Not of the GV1080, but the incoming sound of the SP-808. The attack, decay, sustain, release of this one. So I'll push and play now, and I show you how it transforms. This is a very cool way to adjust incoming sound in a very easy way. This is how it works. Nothing more, nothing less. So incoming sound on aux, changing the FX location to ins master. Then, if you go to FX edit, turn down the volumes of the oscillator 1 and 2, turn it up of the external in. You can change some controls over here, in this case cutoff, resonance and attack, and you get something like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching and we see each other next time. Bye bye.